and show you just how easy it is to have Autoblogger write, optimize, and post content for you. So if we come over here to projects, click add new, and this is all you have to do. Okay, just fill out these options and hit save, and you are good to go. So we can name this project 3 as an example, make it active, choose the language that we want the content in. As you can see, we have all these languages available. Okay, over 25 different languages. Maximum post totals. Okay, so you can have this particular project have a maximum number of posts that gets done. You can have a maximum post per day. So if you want 1 per day or you want 3 per day, okay, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and leave it for 1. You can also specify what days of the week the content gets posted. Okay, so that's totally up to you. You can also specify the time of day as well, and you can have the content creation be by subject or by subject and topics specifically. All right, so each project can be completely different. All right, and again, you can have it be just by subject, which will be a more general type of content that Autoblogger will write for you. If you want to kind of guide it in the direction that you prefer that it write on, then you can go ahead and type in the niche and type in the topics as well. If you prefer to just have Autoblogger take care of the topics and do its thing, you can just select subject and type in a niche, and then it will go ahead and write based on that niche. Okay, the post type you can do to publish it right away or to leave it in the draft. And then you can have select which authors you want it to actually attribute the content to, and then you can select where you want the category, which category you want that content to be put in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put home improvement here. Okay, I'm gonna attribute it to Dan, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the home improvement category. Okay, and that's it. This is literally all you have to do to have Autoblogger start writing content. Click save changes, and you can see project number 3 has now started, and it's waiting for the next post. And you can see each of these projects, all the content that it's written. It's written 20 for this one, 21 pieces of content for this one, 21, 47 pieces of content in the home improvement category, 21 here and 21 here. So as you can see, from this point forward, this project is gonna take off and do exactly what I told it to do in the niche that I told it to do, and it's gonna do it all 100% hands-free. So this is how we are able to quickly scale our niche site empire by having Autoblogger do all of the work for us. So make sure you do secure this special offer because it is a limited time special. Talk about awesome, right? We've created the first and best artificially intelligent auto blogging system to ever hit JVZoo. This is real artificial intelligence combined with the power of niche site marketing. And now it's time to cut to the chase. How much is it to get access to this futuristic piece of equipment? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because at first we couldn't really believe what we had created. Every time Autoblogger writes, optimizes, and posts an article for us, it continues to wow us. The quality of the articles, the optimization, and the automatic adding of images is truly that good. This is probably how you're feeling right now as well. Is it really possible to have a machine run my entire niche sites for me? And I think that we've hopefully answered that question and have proven to you that yes, it is possible, and we have done it. With that in mind, we truly considered taking this directly to the mass public market and charging a hefty monthly recurring fee for it. We know how big the auto blogging niche is, how much it's lacking for a real reliable product, and how valuable a tool like Autoblogger is to the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to Autoblogger for this insane pre-launch discount, we truly mean it. Autoblogger is not even available to purchase outside of this page. Heck, this is the first time anyone is ever hearing about this secret weapon we've developed. This is why we're offering it as such a tremendous value. And trust me, you may never see it offered at this price with this much value and the amazing bonuses we've mentioned on this page ever again. I highly recommend securing this pre-launch discount today.